Hello, my name is Muhammad Akil bin Encik Rahmat and you can call me Akil.
Hello, my name is Lydia Namendi and you can call me Lydia.
Hello, my name is Nur Fatin Shazana binti Ahmad Adli. You can call me Fatin.
Hello everyone, my name is Ali Isa. You can call me Alia.
My name is Muhammad Fahimah bin Rashid. You can call me Farhan.
And my name is Muhammad Fakul Hamizan bin Abdul Razak and you can call me Hamizan.
Yeah, that's it.
Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to discuss ways to maintain good relationship with our family members. As we all know, families play an important role in shaping who we are. So it is important to understand how we can keep our relationship strong and healthy. So let's share our ideas and respect different opinions. By the end of this discussion, we will decide the best way to maintain family relations. Okay, I would like to start by focusing on supporting each other. In my opinion, this is one of the most important ways to maintain good family relationship. Supporting each other means being there emotionally and mentally, especially during difficult times. When family members support one another, they feel valued and understood. This support will trust and also strengthen our emotional bond. For example, encouraging family members during the stressful situations such as exam, work problem, or personal struggles can help reduce conflict and increase harmony in the family. Therefore, I strongly believe that supporting each other is the foundation of a strong and lasting family relationship. What do you guys think about this point? Do you agree that supporting each other is more important, or do you think other factors plays a bigger one?
Yes, I agree with you, Lydia. Family support is very important because it helps family members feel more stronger emotionally. When someone in our family is facing stress, problem, or failure, support from parents or siblings can give motivation and confidence. Simple action like listening, giving advice, or offering encouragement can make a big difference. In real life, family who support each other to have better relationship. They face problems together instead of blaming one another. This creates trust, understanding, and a more positive family environment. But in my opinion, one of the best way to maintain a good family relationship is by spending quality time together. Nowadays, we can see family members are so busy with their work, with their study, and with their phone. So because of this, sometimes families sometimes spend their time in the same house, but they do not really talk to each other every day. So what is quality time? Spending quality time is mean giving attention to our family members. It does not mean just spending a lot of money. For example, we can do simple activity like eating together, watching television, or talking before going to bed. So, when we put our phones away and we just focus on our family, they will be more appreciative and respect to each other. The effect, quality time will help family more closer to each other. For example, when we spend time together, we can understand each other more better, so that we know what our parents are worried about, and parents also know what their children are going through. This makes our family members feel safe and more comfortable to share their problem. And then many family, you can see many family have problem because they do not communicate enough. So when families spend their quality time together, they will talk more and argue less, which is small misunderstanding can be solved early before they become serious problem. For example, we can see when we having a dinner together, parents, siblings, all those family members to talk about their day and solve problems calmly if they have their problem. We can see in real life, family can spend quality time during weekend. They can also clean the house together, cook meal together, or go to holiday. Even short moments like this can strengthen family bonds. What is important is not the activity, but the time we spend together with family. So spending quality time is very important to maintain good family relations. It helps family become more closer, happier, and more understanding. And that is my opinion about spending quality time. How about my friends?
Okay. Before discussing my opinion, I will agree that spending quality time together plays a vital role in strengthening family relationships. Quality time allows family members to communicate openly, understanding one another better, and build emotional connection. Through shared activity and meaningful conversation, family members become more aware of each other's feelings, opinions, and personality, which make it easier to respect individual different later on. So, for my own opinion, is respecting different within the family is essential for maintaining harmony and understanding among family members. In a family, each individual has unique opinion, personality, interest, and belief, shaped by their experience, age, and background. When these different are accepting, family members feel valued and respected, which help create a supportive and peacefully home environment. Without respect for different misunderstandings and conflict can easily arise and weaken family relationship. One effective way to respect different is by listening without judgment. Family members should give of other the opportunity to express their thoughts and feeling openly, even when they hold opposing view. By listening attentively and acknowledging each other emotion, individuals show empathy and understanding. In addition, using polite language and controlling emotion during discussion can prevent argument for escalating. This respectful communication helps build trust and encourage healthier interaction within the family. In my conclusion, respecting difference within the family promotes tolerance, cooperation, and stronger emotional bonds. When family members learn to accept one another as they are, disagreements can be managed in a positive way. As a result, the family become a place of comfort, trust, and unity where every member feels safe, understood, and supported. This is my opinion. How about you guys? Do you agree or disagree for my opinion?
I still agree with Farhan points and my other friends' points, which is respecting difference, supporting each other, and spending quality time. Which is these points make family relations more closure. But in my opinion, the most effective way to maintain family relation is by following traditions and rituals. I say this because traditions act as a glue that holds the family together. In a modern world where everyone is busy, a ritual it doesn't need a big festival, just for our family moments only. Forces us to pause and reconnect. We shouldn't think that traditions as an old-fashioned custom. They can be simple, modern rituals. For instance, the simple ritual of texting, have a safe flight, have a safe journey, happy birthday, celebrating birthdays together, create a consistent rhythm in the relationship. What y'all think? Yes.
Okay. Thank you for your opinion. But I slightly disagree. I agree with your all opinion, but I slightly disagree with Alia. I think the key to maintain a good relationship with our family members is effective communication. Without a good communication, how can you recognize your family members? How can you know traditional or rituals? Or how can you support each other? And if you don't have a good communication with your family, you don't even know their difference. So for me, the most important and the best way is effective communication. But I like to add some more. Communication is not always speaking, but listening also is sign of communication. So active listening is important because it allows family members to feel heard and understood. By listening, we can know our family members, we can know their difference, and we can know their problems, and if we know their problems, we can support them and respect their difference. So I think that's all for my opinion.
Sorry to interrupt, Amizan. I think I a bit disagree with on your point. That is, following tradition and rituals is the most effective way to maintain family relationship. Because although I understand the importance of following tradition and rituals, I slightly disagree that it is the most important ways, because not all family members may share the same interests or belief about traditions, especially in this modern society. Sometimes forcing traditions can lead to misunderstanding or pressure. Without emotional support, tradition alone are not enough to keep relationship strong. In my opinion, mutual support and understanding are more important than strictly following traditions.
Something on.
That's all.
So brother, do you have opinions? No.
No,
Oh,
I totally agree without your another points.
So Akil, can you after hearing our all opinions, what do you think is the best way to maintain a relationship with your family members?
Thank you, Hamizan. I think the best way to maintain family relation is effective communication. This is because communication allows family members to express their feelings and opinions openly. When family members communicate well, they can understand each other better and avoid misunderstandings that may lead to conflicts. Effective communication also helps family members to solve problems together. Instead of keeping feelings inside, they can discuss family calmly and find solutions as a family. For example, parents can listen to their children's problem, while children can express their feelings and concern without fear. This creates trust and strengthens emotional bonds within the family. Moreover, effective communication supports other important aspects of family relation, such as showing appreciation, giving support, and respecting difference. Through communication, family members can say thank you, give encouragement, and accept different opinions. Without communication, these positive actions are difficult to express. That's all.
Yeah,
That's
I
all.
agree with effective communication is the best way because Mizan's point is very valid, which is when we communications in family, we not only talk, we listen to each other. So that's make each of family close.
Communication is the key.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's all about our discussion. We have 5 opinions. Number 1 is supporting each other, spend quality time, effective communication,
Follow tradition.
respecting difference, and follow tradition and rituals. And after discussion, we select.
We
We
choose.
choose the best way. That
The
is
best way.
effective communication. And that is all from us. Goodbye.
Bye bye.